First thing we're going to do for our roast is we're going to take some potatoes and just chop them up coarsely. I'm going to put our potatoes in the bottom of the crock pot. Next we're going to take our roast, and this happens to be a chuck roast, and we're going to add it on top of our potatoes. Make sure we got enough room. Get our lid on. Next we have 2 cups of beef bouillon. We're going to add this. You could also use water, but I like to add a little extra flavor, so use beef bouillon. Next we have a packet of Lipton Onion Soup mix. And we're going to dump the entire package on top of everything. This adds great flavor and it's so easy. Okay, and we're going to put this on high for 6 hours. Our roast is a little bit frozen yet, but that doesn't matter. It just takes a little bit longer, so we're going to cook it on high, and we'll see you in just a little bit. All right, we are at about 5 hours and 15 minutes, and we're going to check out our chuck roast. You can see those potatoes are looking amazing, smells amazing. We're going to pull this out. Okay, here's our roast. We're just going to cut this up. Smells amazing. Looks great. All right, here's our nummy potatoes. They are nice and soft. All right, let's give the roast beef a try. Nice and tender, soft. Great flavor, very simple recipe. Give it a try, let me know what you think, and thanks for watching.